People often ask me, Sadhguru, what can we do for you as a guru? What I want to see is this: no matter your situation right now, take one small step this moment towards breaking the limitations within you. Then take another small step next moment. If you aren't taking these steps, even if you put garlands around me and prostrate in front of me, it doesn't mean anything, because my life is dedicated and devoted to your growth. If you deny me that, then what is the use of garlands which will go dry in a few hours, and you molesting my feet? What is the point of this? This is the true measure, because it's about growth. We want people who consciously grow, not those waiting for blessings to happen or hoping to reach heaven someday. We want people who don't even care about heaven. If you are seeking heaven, you must go somewhere else. With me, we aim to bypass heaven because we are not interested in spreading beliefs about some place up there called heaven, some place down there called hell. Difference between dogma and seeking is this: dogma gives you words, vocabulary, often complicated, with elaborate philosophies, but still just words, and says, this is the ultimate. Words like ultimate, divine, superconsciousness, enlightenment may sound impressive, but by themselves they only improve your vocabulary, they do not transform your life. Ultimate is something you must experience. It is not a word, it cannot be contained in a dictionary or in your mental vocabulary. A true spiritual process does not give you conclusions about the ultimate, it gives you a method, a step-by-step process to climb. If I tell you what the ultimate is, I'm only give you another idea to hold on to, and that itself becomes a limitation. No guru ever truly tells you what the ultimate is, he only shows you how to approach it. I can offer you the way that I have found, but the experience must become only yours. We are not interested in creating another belief system. There are too many already. This is about seeking to understand the nature of existence itself. Right now, the only thing you know for sure is that you exist. But what is it that makes you exist? What is it that makes this life tick right now? If you know just this piece of life, if you know just this piece of life, you will know everything worth knowing. You don't have to go about knowing the creation because this piece of life is all you have. It is very important to start with what is in your hand. This is the one piece of creation that is in your experience. Everything else is just a reflection. If you make a serious attempt, it won't take 1,000,000 years or even 12 years. It can happen in a moment. If you make it a genuine question, not mere curiosity. If it becomes a life or death question, I want to know, what the hell is this all about? Nobody can stop you. I am here to guide you so that you don't waste 12 years. But it must be the only thing on your mind, screaming in every cell of your body. Otherwise, doors won't open. Doors open only when you give everything you have. Even then, everything you have may not be enough. That is when you need a little push. That is when a guru becomes necessary. A guru becomes relevant only when you have done everything you can and there are things you cannot do. It's a mistake to call guru a master. You call him that because of his mastery over himself, not because he rules over others.
I'm going to be hosting a deeply immersive classical Hatha Yoga retreat in Ladakh, which I will be conducting personally from the 23rd of August until the 31st of August, where I'll be guiding you through a 5,000-year-old powerful classical Hatha Yoga practice, which will be a game changer in many ways. To register, you can contact the details flashing on your screen. I'll see you soon. For now.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. Before you leave, watch this latest video now.